Hello students, welcome to Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we will see chapter E-commerce and E-governance in Information Technology. Let us first see what is commerce. Commerce means trading. Commerce is nothing but buying and selling. Normally shopping happens at shopping malls or marketplaces or street shops located at roadside. That means physical location is compulsory for traditional commerce. In traditional commerce, you see shops, buyers and sellers. There is exchange of goods and services and payment is made in form of money. When we are enjoying with normal commerce, then why e-commerce is becoming more and more popular in today's world. To understand e-commerce, let us see an example. When you buy a cake by normal shopping, you will spend 2 hours for going to shop and coming back. The cost of petrol to go to the shop is rupees 100. Cost of cake is rupees 800. Total cost is rupees 900. Now let us buy the same cake by online shopping from a website. Just sit at home and select the cake by using your mobile. Cost of cake is rupees 500. Within 1 hour, cake will be delivered at your place. All this was possible because of e-commerce. Here the buyer is happy that he is saving time and money. Seller is also happy that he is earning decent income. This way, e-commerce is creating opportunities to people to start new business. Let's see actual definition of e-commerce. E-commerce can be defined as the process of buying and selling of goods or services using an electronic medium such as internet. In e-commerce, shopping is done using websites. Now let's see advantages of e-commerce. First advantage is electronic transaction. E-commerce reduces paperwork. Payment can be done using credit card and there is no need to carry cash for payment. The other advantage is there is no need to go to different shops to see the latest products in the market. You will save your time of traveling here. Anytime shopping. One of the greatest advantage of e-commerce is convenience. Customers can do shopping at any time on any day as websites do not have working hours like a shop. Next advantage is cost saving. E-commerce provides users with more options to compare prices and select the cheaper and better option available to them. Quick service is the best feature of e-commerce. If you do not have time to go to beauty parlor for haircut, just visit websites like Urban Clap. They will send beautician to your house. No intermediaries. If you want to buy a house, you can directly deal with the property owner using websites. There is no need of agents or intermediaries. Disadvantages of e-commerce. Setup cost. Setup of hardware and software is required for e-commerce. If you want to do online shopping, you require a computer or mobile. You will also require internet connection. All these are expensive and poor people cannot afford them. Personal touch is not possible in e-commerce. If you purchase a dress by online, you actually cannot touch and see the quality of cloth and the size of the dress. Late delivery of products is one more problem in e-commerce. Even after the order is placed, there can be problems with shipping, delivery, etc. This leaves customers unhappy and dissatisfied. Security is another area of concern. When you make payment by credit card, there is chance of hackers stealing your card information, and later they may use your card information to steal money from your account. Let us see the difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce. In traditional commerce, scope is local, whereas in e-commerce, scope is global, which means it can be accessed from any corner of the world, whereas it is not possible in case of traditional commerce. Traditional commerce is available for limited time, that is only during the business hours, whereas e-commerce is available round the clock, that is 24 by 7. In traditional commerce, payments are made in cash, checks and credit cards. In e-commerce, modes of payment are bank transfer, credit card, e-wallet, mobile payment and many more. E-wallet is an electronic prepaid payment system where it is linked to an account to log money in it. Examples of e-wallet are Paytm, Google Pay. Delivery of goods and services is instant in traditional commerce. In e-commerce, delivery of goods or services takes some time. Inspecting the products before buying is possible in traditional commerce. Inspecting the products before buying is not possible in e-commerce. In this session, we covered the topic concept of e-commerce, advantages, disadvantages and difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce. In our next session, we'll see the other topics. Thank you.